Hey everyone, today we're looking at LiveWire Group, ticker LVWR on NYSE, Harley-Davidson's electric motorcycle company. LiveWire designs, manufactures, and sells premium electric motorcycles under the LiveWire brand. The company focuses on the growing two-wheel electric vehicle market. As of late March 2026, the stock trades around $1.38, market cap about $282 million. Revenue $25.67 million. Net loss narrowed to $75.1 million. Q4 revenue $11.36 million, up 6%. Positives include number 1 position in on-road electric motorcycle sales and Harley-Davidson backing. Negatives involve low revenue scale, ongoing heavy losses, high tariff impact, and execution risks. Short-term, could swing $2 to $5. Long-term upside potential over $8 - 12+ by 2030 is possible. Not investment advice. Electric vehicle stocks are high risk. Do your own research. Like and subscribe for more EV and auto stock breakdowns.